What's up, everybody? Christian Robsek, Service First Restoration. Super excited to be bringing round 2 of our Neuro-Linguistics Programming Workshop. If you missed last month's event, it was really, really special. Had Jesse Martin, Neuro-Linguistics Programming Specialist. You guys are probably like, what the hell is Neuro-Linguistics Programming? Have you ever met somebody that's just a master communicator, right? It just comes really natural to them. That's an art, right? But there actually is a science behind communication, and that science is called neuro-linguistics programming. And if you want to improve your life, come spend 1 hour with me with Jesse Martin, March 27th, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And spend 1 hour. You're going to walk away feeling good about life, walking into situations feeling stronger that you can communicate and get what you want out of life, whether you're dealing with clients, family members, wives, children. Empower yourself. Spend 1 hour with us, and it's going to be worth your time. Can't wait to see you March 27th, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Register below, and really appreciate all of you out there making all of this possible here. So thank you so much. Bye.